everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be unboxing this gel polish set from Born Pretty. They did go ahead and send this over to me as PR. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. And this gel polish set is called Cozy Hearth Milky Jelly Polish. So thank you so much. I was so excited whenever they sent over the picture in my email. I could not wait to receive this PR package. I'm so excited. I have been seeing a bunch of different nail designs, using this type of gel polish, and I was so excited I finally get to go ahead and try out the nail design that's been trending all over Instagram, Pinterest. And this design is really truly beginner friendly. This is the first time that I am gonna go ahead and actually demonstrate this design, so go ahead and stay tuned if you would like to see how I created this nail design. I just went ahead and did it on a freestyle. I did get some inspo from other pictures and decided to just combine them all together. So as far as the gel polish set, you do go ahead and receive 6 different colors, and they are numbered on top as usual, and these are 7 ml bottles. And as you can see, I am going to go ahead and open up each bottle. Oh, and by the way, I apologize for the look of my nails. So sorry. I am in the process of removing them. And as you know, I change my nails very frequently, like every 2 to 3 days. So please ignore my nails. I know they're a disaster. I'm so sorry. Anyways, back to the gel polishes. So they are 7 ml bottles and they are numbered on the top, and as you can see, I am going to go ahead and open each bottle and show you the colors, how they look. I'm just so excited to receive these colors. I didn't have any colors like this in my collection, so I was so grateful, Born Pretty, that you sent these over to me. It was such an honor to go ahead and showcase these gel polishes on my channel. Thank you so much. And I will go ahead and leave their Amazon storefront linked in my description box, so be sure to check that out if you have not purchased this gel polish set already. And go ahead and enjoy me swatching the colors, and I'll be back here in a bit. To include that these gel polishes are absolutely perfect for fall, so if you're looking to go ahead and create some fall nail designs, this gel polish set is just absolutely perfect for that. And you do get a variety of different colors. There's the jelly black, some jelly browns, and the perfect base color. I absolutely love that color. That is what I'm using in today's video. So here's all the colors. As you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. This is one coat. And to get started, I am using my short almond nail tips, full cover, and I am going to go ahead and I did go ahead and apply the base gel off camera. I primed them, I apply a thin layer primer, and then I add the base coat from Born Pretty and I cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that base color and I'm going to apply that to all the nails, and off camera I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats on the thumb, middle, and pinky, and I do cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. But in a while I do change my mind with the design in my head, and I decided that I was going to change up the design. So you do want to just go ahead and just apply 2 coats on all the nails. I don't know why I decided to just change it last minute, but as you can see, that's what's going to happen here in a minute. So you will see that I am going to go ahead and put these colors on my palette, because I am going to start using my nail art brushes and just start freehanding the design on the nails. So I did go ahead and use the 2 darker jelly brown colors. and one is the brown, one is the black, I believe. Sorry. And for this nail, I am going to go ahead and take my liner brush and just outline the entire nail, and then I'm going to draw a line in the center, and then I'll kind of just like spread out the line outward. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll be able to see the process of what I'm doing with this design. And then I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And I do apologize for the noise in the background. If you hear that, my dogs are playing, they're play fighting right now, so I apologize for my doggies. Yeah, so I'll be back here in a bit after you finish seeing this part. Okay, for this nail, I am going to go ahead and use my Blooming Gel from Beetles. I absolutely love this stuff. It works so well. And I am going to go ahead and apply that to the entire nail. And then before curing, I am going to go ahead and just dip my liner brush into that jelly brown. And I do dot it in the center, but I want to like help the, what do you call it? The gel polish like spread. I don't know how to explain it. So I am just, you know, working the circle like bigger just so that it expands even more. And I just wanted for the gel just to like just spread. I don't know how to explain it, but as you can see, I just went ahead and did that. And then I am going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then for this nail, I went ahead and did the same thing. I applied that blooming gel, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use the liner brush and dip that into the black, and I'm just going to make random dots all over. And I am going to let that spread just a little bit, not too much. I didn't want them to get too big. And then once they were done spreading to my liking, I do go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And here's how they're looking so far. It's coming together. Just trust the process. At first, I wasn't liking the design. I wanted to start over, but I said, no, I'm just going to go with it. So now I am going to go ahead and take that jelly color with the flakes. It had like gold flakes in it. I wanted to try to use every single color in this gel polish set the best that I could. So I went ahead and I applied that over the nail, the thumbnail. Then I cured for 60 seconds. And now for this nail, I am going to go ahead and use my Rhinestone gel glue. And I just went ahead and put some on my nail palette, my paint palette. And I'm taking my liner brush and just making just a random, what is this? It's not a perfect circle. It's just like a blob looking, I don't know what you call it. I'm so sorry. But as you can see, I just connected it, and then I went ahead and cured it. And then I am going to go ahead and use these cross charms and these gold beads, and then this Born Pretty chrome powder. This is the first time I'm going to use this chrome powder, but as you will see here in a minute, you will see just how well this stuff works. Oh my god, I was like in the process of using it, I couldn't believe it, just how beautiful it turned out. So for this gel polish, I am using the Melody Susie black gel polish, and I don't know if that is what made the chrome powder come out so well, because I have a regular gel polish, black gel polish, and when I use that for my chrome, it doesn't come out chromy, it comes out shimmery. So I did just cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, and I'll come back here in a bit to that one. And for this nail, I decided to just add a bigger gold circle in the middle, and then I am just putting some littler ones just right above it, as you can see, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And then I am going to come back to that chrome nail, and I absolutely wanted to really get that gold effect. I had another chrome powder that I had got from Amazon a while back. It came in like a pack, I don't know, with a bunch of different colors, and it was more like brassy gold. It wasn't gold, like real gold. So I went ahead and picked this up off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I was like so pleased with this Born Pretty gold chrome powder. It's the exact look I was going for. It was so gorgeous in person. Oh my gosh, you have to pick this up. And to go ahead and clean up the center, I did go ahead and just use my cleanup brush, dipped it in some acetone because I did get some of that chrome powder in the center, but it wasn't that bad and I was just okay with it. But as you can see, look at how good that chrome looks. It's so pretty. Look at how the nails are looking so far. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. Okay, so now in the center of that nail, I am going to go ahead and use my sticker sheet that I have here, and I'm just going to apply one because I really didn't feel like pulling out my gold paint because it doesn't match. This sticker matched exact what I needed, so I went ahead and used a sticker. And then I'm just using that little rubber tool to press it down. And then I am going to go ahead and add some rhinestone glue so that I can put a little tiny gem in the middle. And that nail was my favorite nail out of the whole 5 that I did. So yes, so this is how it's going to look here in just a second. I will show you when it's finished. And if you're here, you know, for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love making press-on nails on my channel. I love doing nail content. And if you don't mind, please press that like button because it pushes out my content out to others that enjoy nail content as well. Okay, and I have been missing, you know, for a while. I apologize. Just been busy. Life happens. I'm sure y'all know how that goes. So I'm gonna do my best to make more videos, okay? Just be patient with me. And then I did go ahead and put a cross charm on the pinky nail. And then I did receive these rose charms from Amazon. I was needing some. I couldn't believe I didn't have any. I had some silver ones, but I didn't have gold. And so I went ahead and picked these up from Amazon. I'll leave those in the description box as well. And I decided to put it on the thumbnail. And these, like this design, you can make it what you want. You don't have to be specific. I have seen where like the pointer finger and the ring finger are French tips. I do want to make a set like that, and then it has like all the different elements on the thumb, middle, and the pinky. You can just change up this nail design so much, like it's endless. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I have the colors that I can play with the design and change it up. I'm so excited to make more nail designs with this gel polish set. I was so excited, and I was just so like pleased with it. All the colors, I can't complain. So I highly recommend you guys go ahead and pick this up for yourself. You will not be disappointed. And then I am going to go ahead and add these gold beads onto just the edges of the nail. And then I am going to go ahead and top it off with the Born Pretty super top coat. I have like literally made this my #1 top coat. This has been the best top coat I've ever used. It is scratch resistant. After you cure it, you cannot scratch these nails. Like, it is very durable. The brush bristles, I can't explain it, but there's something about the bristles. I don't know what Born Pretty did, what their secret is, but the bristles of this brush are amazing. Just the flow of how it brushes on the nails, you'll see. If you have not tried it yet, you'll absolutely love this top coat. And it's super shiny. It's a no wipe. It's everything you would want in the best top coat. So I highly recommend you pick up the super top coat and base gel duo as well. And I am going to go ahead and apply the top coat over all the nails, over all the beads, over all the charms so that they don't tarnish. That way, whenever you put your hands in water, you shower, wash dishes, whatever, then it won't tarnish your charms because they'll be protected. So I do go ahead and apply that to all the nails and cure for 60 seconds. And I had so much fun creating this nail set. It came out so pretty. Once they were done curing, I could not believe that I created this nail set all by myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I appreciate you all. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.